Here in San Victor Island, but this time we will have a room tour and we will libot the entire island. Yes, iikutin natin ang buong isla. But before we do that, kasi right now we had an accommodation which you will see later on kung ano yung tsura ng mga rooms, room rates, and all the things that you need to know about San Victor Island. But right now, since it's so low tide, tayo ay, what's it tawag? Manginhasta with the gang! Let's go! Yan, hello! Welcome to San Victor!
Sa imong team!
What
siya!
Wow,
the
what is that knit here over here? It is
Vin, kasi pangalan ni Vin?
Asluman.
Kasi masarap siya.
hello birthday boy.
Hi.
Welcome to Baganga.
Kani?
Wala
na.
This is a sea urchin. Hello sea urchin. Go clear now.
Out kaya. Wala siya kaya. Kung dili siya moingon na, nadiri. Wala siya magbiwakitaan. Kuhanin lang.
Uy!
Pugida. Small. Hi. Asa na?
Wow.
Hi.
Kuan. Aum.
So as you can see, double deck siya here and we have 2 beds here. It's actually nice smelling siya na no, homot, and it's so clean. It's leading a CR which is nice. So ang bayad na mo nila room is 2,200 and this is good for 4 kasama ang boat ride, entrance fees and everything else. So it's actually cheap, no? I advise if you go overnight, it would be better if you will get a room, because if you will not get a room, that's around 300. Tapos kung apat kayo, so 1,200. About 1,200. And this is like 2,200. Tapos meron na siyang kasamang cottage. Later, makikita natin ang cottage. Let's go! Ano siya, nakalimutan ko saan siya kung iingon. But, it's so nice here in the morning. Pag maligo ka kasi, init ang water. And the stuff is so nice. And then, this morning, we saw them disinfecting the tables. I think they do that every day in the morning. So one of the things I really love about San Victor is it's clean. There's trash can everywhere. I have talked to the manager of San Victor, and he told me na para magkakaroon daw dito ng mangrove park, and then that part sa likod will have parang team building facilities, and then they will also have parang small parang houses for the retreat. Kasi right now, they are accepting retreats during the weekdays. So they make it exclusive for retreats during weekdays. And then weekends, tourists and visitors can visit the place. Kaya lang, they can't have retreats during weekends kasi hindi makakabisit ang locals. Saka, sayang, kawawa din yung mga tourists. They can come here during the weekend if they will do that. But since, yeah, this is actually really a retreat house. Mangroves, Nikki and Oriental. Hi! See? Maayong hapon! Madayaw na pag-abot nga sa San Victor Island.
Hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
Shout out! Shout out!
Hi!
Shout out! Shout out! Hello!
I miss you.
Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi, Ate Kim! Hi, vlog! Welcome! Magbayad sa
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Dapat na,